cakes I baked. Ignore the food land label.
Wow, a bag with a thing in it.
Over here. So I got Jen something. This one's yours. It's a late Christmas present.
You didn't have to give me another one, Liz.
I wanted to. I chose to.
I have like 3.
Put it on.
Cute already.
It's umaru-chan.
Thank you, Liz.
You're welcome. Okay, so I reused your bag. So here goes. Hey, she can reuse it.
I got it at Hallmark.
She can reuse
I still have yours.
it. This is for your Chanel. I hope you'll like it. I want you to try it on to see if it can fit. That's why.
Oh my god, it's so cute. So cute. I got a new one.
Oh wait, Chanel, button it up. No waste. Stop.
Wait, try, go. Go pee.
No, Chanel. Hey, look at her unicorn onesie. I'm glad it fits.
Turn around.
Is it big?
Is it comfortable on you? And nice and warm?
Yeah. They didn't pull.
Spending New Year's Eve at the local residence. Well, Edward's house, basically. And the reason why I'm wearing this because my allergies. I'm really sick. And there's Edward's mom. And we are going to play Edmund's present. And we're just put some batteries on. Turn it on, baby. Alright.
Oh, yes!
I can't eat it. This is so hard. What the fuck? Yes, I got one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much you got, babe? I don't want to count.
8.
Oh shoot, I lost. You are the master fisherman.
Yeah, that's right.
So in Edward's neighborhood, there's a lot of firecrackers popping. And Edward has 2 Chihuahua dogs. And they're afraid of it. So Edward put a box right here. Brownie! Hi, Chocolate. Where's Brownie? Hi, Chocolate. There you are, Brownie. Hi, baby girl. Are you scared? You're so scared. You don't have to be scared. It's only fireworks.
You want cool like brownie?
You want a cool like brownie? Oh, there they go. Oh, it's the New Year! Happy New Year, Edward!
Happy New Year.
Popcorn, candy, some soda, and a One Piece. This is how we are spending January 1st, watching the One Piece movie. So this came in the mail today, and this is from my friend Trusila, and I'm gonna open the gift in front of the camera. If I can just open this. Oh! It says, to Lynn from Drew. Sorry I wasn't sober when I wrapped this. I don't want to fix it. Lol. Love, Drew. I love you. Oh, I guess I do got 2 gifts. I forgot. It's because one is for Christmas and one is for my birthday. Look at that. I love your drunk rapping, Drew. gosh, this is so cute. Look at this. Oh, I love this cardigan. Oh my gosh, true. This is so cute. Check this out. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let's open the other one. The drunk wrapping one. Oh, I get a letter. Oh. You don't make babies. Wait, I do want you to make babies. Because I know your babies are going to be super cute. Even though if they are brown-eyed. And no, you can't take this from me. I know you want to keep it yourself, but I want it. Oh, this is cute. Hi and bye. Sweater. Oh, this is so cute. It's an emoji sweater. Oh, I need this. It's actually getting pretty cold here in Hawaii. I know, cold in Hawaii. Look at these. Oh my goodness. It's super cute and comfortable. Thank you so much, Trusila. I can't wait till you come back. We'll do lots of things. Thank you, True. I love you and miss you. Bye. Alright. Today we're going back to school. It was a really fun winter break. Well, fun and relaxing winter break. How was your winter break, Edward? Are you ready for school? Happy birthday, Edmund! Happy birthday, Chase! Where's Chase? Come here.
birthday!
Happy birthday, Chase!
Hey!
Yay! It's everybody's birthday. It's my birthday. It's Edward's birthday. Snell's birthday. Nah, just kidding. But anyways, we are gonna go eat at Gyukaku for his birthday for this 19-year-old right here.
Aloha! Wow, look at that Enterprise! Welcome to Hawaii.
They have twins.
This is Edmund's birthday. Documentary. We gotta wait. We gotta get run over. Get run over. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Dude, he looks like
Hey, here we got my boy Auto Source. Okay, so if you want the source to be automatic, you get a bottom source.
You know what I'm talking about right there. Okay. Stuff right there.
That's that good. And we go to KCC.
Oh, I can zoom in on this.
Take it back in time for lunch.
Da, 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 da. We could go take a class.
Oh yeah,
Take a nice class.
East Mercedes.
Chanel's food. Look at that. That looks good. And there's Jazz. Yeah, look at that. Come on. Jazz.
Water.
Ikdongongu. Look at that. That looks so good.
For good.
Awesome. It's such a big
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Alright, Jazz. Put it on.
Every middle school guy.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Edmund.
Happy birthday to you.
Bring it win. Yay! Thank you. Here's Edmund's cupcake. Happy
birthday, right?
day, Edmund.
Well, way to use it. If you want to bake it. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday again. Look how happy he is.
Look at stupid dad. I got a pocket juice.
Let me see. Show that one to daddy.
You can put some weed in there.
Pocket juice.
Dude, you can put like green tea.
I think it's like a vape thing. Oh, it's a cupcake. Oh, what?
Oh,
Oh, an accessory kit.
I
He said
got
GoPro. I was like, damn, you guys are cool. It's my birthday.
Wait, is it not a GoPro?
It's no, you already
GoPro
have
accessory
GoPro.
kit.
Oh.
It's not a GoPro. False alarm, guys. It's not a GoPro.
Happy birthday.
What a good brother.
Thank you,
What a good brother.